Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are doing well. So welcome to another video which is about product owner. So let's get started. So who is product owner? Product owner is an important pillar in Scrum team, right? But generally what we see that there is a lot of confusion around who is project manager. Is the same person who is also the product manager? No, these two are not the same. This is an incorrect assumption. So who is the product owner? Product owner is someone who is accountable for maximizing the product value. What does that mean? It means that he or she is the person who is going to tell that what we are going to build in a product in order to make it valuable. What kind of features, what kind of themes we are going to build, all that is decided by product owner. On the other hand, project manager is someone who takes care of the timelines of the tasks and who adhere to various deadlines, and also who is the one who also who decides like how much budget should be allocated to the project and how it should be distributed for different processes, tools and other things, right? So now you might be clear with the difference between the two. So let's move next. So now what product owner does? So product owner is someone who decides the product vision. Product vision, what is product vision? Product vision is the destination basically. So it is the end result of the product, like how the product would look like in the end. So it is the future state of the product. That is product vision. So that product vision is decided by product owner. And how he or she decides that? By collaborating with various stakeholders. So product vision defines that how or where our product should go. So basically it's just the destination. Okay, for example, if we are building an online bakery, okay, so that is our product that we want, online bakery. What can be the product vision? That we want a global online leading bakery, right? So that is the product vision, that we do not want to limit our business just to one country. We are making it global. We want to become world's leading bakery. Okay, so that is the product vision. Then this person, product owner, he or she defines the product goal as well. What are the product goals? Product goals are nothing but just the stepping stones which we take in order to reach the product vision. Okay, so this is also decided by product owner. So these are long-term objectives, like these product goals can be completed maybe in 3 months, maybe in 6 months, or if it is a bigger chunk, then maybe in a year. So that is also decided by product owner. Okay, so these acts as milestones in the journey towards product vision. Okay, then product owner is the same person who also decides product roadmap. So what is product roadmap? So we can say like we are standing on initial point and we have to reach to certain destination, right? And that destination is our product vision. So the path that we are going to cover here, that is called roadmap. And in that path itself will be having some stoppage after some interval. Those stoppages are nothing but different product goals which we just discussed. Okay, so product roadmap is the high level path toward product vision. This is kind of strategic direction that how we should move in order to get to product vision. It is not sprint plan. Sprint plan is rather a smaller thing in comparison to product roadmap. We'll see about it in later videos. Okay, now the another work of product owner is product backlog management. So what are product backlogs? Product backlogs are, these can be, we can say that we create various issues in Jira. Like these can be epics, these can be stories, these can be features, these can be tasks, these can be bugs. So all of them, they are part of product backlogs. Like basically these are the things which we have to act upon in order to complete any feature or anything. Like if we have to rectify something in our product, that is where we are going to do work. So that is the actual deliverables, that these are the tangible areas where we are going to work. Okay, these are product backlogs. So these are also managed by product owner. So what involves in it? These can be creating product backlog items, like different kind of items, maybe features, maybe stories and all of that. Like for example, if I have to say that, then online bakery is there. So if we are creating, if what will be the product backlog items for it? It can be that product management is one thing, where we'll be uploading our bakery products on the site, and then maybe login feature is there, that we are going to we enable the users to log in into it, or maybe registration before that. So these all are product backlogs. So creating these product backlogs is the work of product owner. And then ordering and prioritizing these backlogs, like which product backlog should be coming first. For example, product, like if we talk about online bakery only, so can we add the add to cart functionality first and then we come to the login and registration functionality? That doesn't make sense, right? How we are going to do it? That we'll first go for login and registration, or registration and login, and then we'll be building add to cart functionality, right? Because that makes sense. But prioritizing these things is the ownership of product owner. Okay, so he or she is accountable for these things. And the another thing is clarification about product backlogs. So within the team, like developers are the people who are actually going to work on that product and going to develop that product. So while developing, they might be having some confusion, some doubt about various product backlogs. Like they might not be aware about like what we have to actually build. Like there is login functionality, right? But do we have to build this forget and reset password? Or maybe another thing, like if somebody has somebody has not logged in that account for number of months, then what should we do? Should we revoke the access? What should we do? So any kind of this thing, that these should be clarified by product owner. That is the duty of product owner. And making the backlog transparent. What does that mean? That product owner is responsible for letting everyone in the team that what product backlogs we are working upon, and what are the other product backlogs, or whatever kind of, like team should know exactly what product backlogs are there which are pending, what will be the another backlogs which we are going to take up in next sprint. So these should be a transparent thing. That should be a transparent thing, and that is done through using tools like Jira. Okay, and apart from it, telling the team in different events, like during the product backlog refinement session. Okay, so it should be very transparent thing, and it is duty of the product owner. Now move to the next. So now the another thing that product owner has to deliver is that product owner should collaborate to different stakeholders like customers, business leaders, sales, marketing, support teams. So why product owner should do that? Because these things, these collaborations will become the basis of deciding product building. How? Like, if the product owner is talking to customers, then he or she is knowing about the customers pain points, what customers are expecting from us, how we can help the customers. When product owner is talking to business leaders, then product owner would get to know about that, how much return on investment the business leaders are expecting, what profit they are expecting, and all of that. And then comes the sales, marketing, and support teams. Again, the same thing, like how how the sales department would be able to close a deal, like what features we have to work upon. So those things decide the priority of the backlogs. That's why a product owner should talk to these stakeholders, because these helps the product owner to know about the product value, the customer value that should be delivered, the business impact that is going to be created by our product, and the market position that our product is going to get in if we build certain kind of features. Okay, that's why product owner collaborates with all these stakeholders. Now we come to the summary, where what. So if I have to conclude, then product owner is someone who maximizes product value, defines vision and goal, which we already have seen, then owns the product backlogs and builds product roadmap, and collaborates with different stakeholders. So that's it in the today's video. We'll be meeting in the next video with the role of developers, like how they become an important pillar in Scrum team. Okay, so that's it for today. And if you like this video, then like, share, and subscribe this channel, and do comment below if in case of any kind of queries, any kind of doubts. Okay, that's it. Bye bye. See you.